Hey everyone, welcome back. Today will be part 2 of getting the engine bay assembled more. Probably going to try to do the oil cooler today. Yesterday I did realize that when I was editing the video I did not show you guys the end of putting the clutch line on. I completely must have just messed up with the GoPro, didn't get it in, whatever. But today we're going to be knocking out the trunk cylinder, probably trying to put the oil lines on for the cooler, try to put the actual cooler on. I got to cut the lines, stuff like that. I picked up a plug on the way here today. Try to bleed the front brakes. It depends on if I have one of the guys stop by or not. I may just use the little tool that I have and try to just bleed out all the air I can so I can actually have pressure on the front again. Other than that, I mean, we're really getting down to the end on stuff. I may try to wire some more stuff up. Yesterday I was kind of overwhelming myself by laying stuff out, looking at it, and then realizing even though I don't have a bunch of the sensors, I'm not realizing what size, or like realizing where those plugs go to plug up. So I'm kind of like trying to connect them here, trying to connect them there, and hoping it's the right connection. So, and I'm just going to get right into the video. So thank you all so much for watching again. Thank you. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing right now is I put an Evo 9 oil filter on this, and the difference between the Evo 8 and the Evo 9 filter base housings, the oil filter base housings, is that there's an extra plug that you can actually put some kind of like temp sensor in it. Anyways, long story short, I'm going to put some Teflon. I got the plug for it. We're going to roll it in there, plug it off, and I'm going to start making the oil cooler line set up for that side. And then from there we'll move back to the engine bay, and hopefully I'm going to probably try to just kind of put stuff back together. I'm probably going to put the radiator back in, but since I got that side up, I'm probably going to go ahead and bleed that side while it's up, move the other side, and hopefully I'll have front brakes again. And then we'll move to the back and we'll knock out the trunk. Man, the guys over at STM, good job on this thing.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the like a symphony. And you and we got history, yeah, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and we got history, yeah, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and we got history, yeah.
So look, it is literally held on by a zip tie. Yeet. All right, guys, front brakes bled. Got the new STM oil cooler on. Didn't really get a chance to do anything with the harnesses. Don't know, maybe next weekend we'll mess with it some more. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a quick throw things together. After that, I'm just gonna be calling it for the day. And then I'll try to figure out something for next weekend.
All the pain.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to plug this up. Show you guys what I had going on. Got the battery temporarily in there for now. Lights are on. Okay. Oh snap. It's on. Speakers are working. I can hear them. I don't want to turn them up. No copyright. Oh, dude. Oh snap. Oh, There's an actual CD in this thing. All right, we're not gonna do that because that'll be more copyright. Headlights aren't working though. Check on the reverse. Snap. We got reverse lights. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Didn't really do a whole lot, as much as I imagined I was actually gonna do. We were all over the place. We did get the brakes bled today. We were rolling it out the shop just now. They're still feeling real spongy and they're not really working all the way. So maybe just need to bleed it some more. We got the trunk cylinder in, so we actually have a trunk lock now. We got the oil cooler in. We got that all done, fixed up. I got some of the more of the sensors. I actually got a couple of them plugged in, but essentially I'm just going to have to spend a whole day pretty much plugging them all up. Other than that, really it was just kind of a short day, short amount of things we got done, but the whole cooler being on in the car means I can actually put oil in the car once I put the new turbo on. Well, new turbo. OEM turbo with the new JDC titanium studs and stuff. So that being said though, guys, this will be it. I don't know if there's going to be a next weekend. Depends on what happens from here. But thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. Thank y'all so much for watching.